meaty. Oh my! It's all this assembling.
What's the matter, Sammy? You don't like this Lego kit?
No, I do. A lot, but I've started to assemble it and... Well, I saw a dream about Mr. Brownie who told me that without the ship Black Pearl, I'd be cursed with no candy eating. But I don't have this ship in reality. Now it's
There, Sammy. No ship. Yet. It's just that you were off to assemble this Lego figure so fast I didn't get to tell you that besides the figure, you also get a matching ship.
Let me see. So, where's the ship?
Here, look. We only need to pop out the parts and connect them and... Oh, let's see. Oh no!
What? What's wrong?
I can't find the sails!
Oh no! Without the sails, it will be a completely different ship and I'll be cursed for sure!
Here, a compass and a spyglass for you. They will help you find the sails.
Oh, yeah! I'm off to search for important treasures! Guys, while I'm searching for treasures, write in the comments whether you found any treasures yourselves and what it was! Woohoo!
Right. Let's see. I need to start with these parts.
No sign of treasures.
You're looking into the wrong side of the spyglass.
Looks like I'm not as experienced a pirate as I thought.
Why don't you ask for advice from someone more experienced?
Oh, right! My Lego figure! I have to finish it!
Go on, because I'll need those sails pretty soon.
To assemble an experienced Lego pirate, you need to be an experienced Lego assembler. And that's me! There, a bit more. I think I'm already cursed with no Lego assembling. Or lopsided Lego assembling. Oh.
This landed on my table. You do remember that Sparrow is Jack's nickname. He doesn't fly.
Oh, I know! Not only he doesn't fly, he doesn't even assemble.
Right. Let me help. You were simply looking at the manual upside down.
These are the tricks of Mr. Brownie. He turned everything upside down from the dream, so I would fail.
Could be. Don't worry, you won't fail now. This goes here. And that goes there. And now his feet. And a sword, of course.
Here! This one, too.
Right! This is the last part. There! Awesome! We did good. You can continue the search now, right?
Sure. Well, Jack, old pal, are you ready to help me search for the missing sails?
Okay, just a little bit left. I wonder how Sam's in. What? What is it?
There! Oh, see for yourself!
Let's go. Oh, Sammy! You found treasures! Let's see what's in there.
No. Don't touch! What if you get cursed?
It'll be alright, don't worry. Ta-da!
Wow! Pirate coins! Can't do without them.
And the sails, too!
Wow!
Let's finish our pirate ship. Hey guys, did you know that the 19th of September is the International Talk Like a Pirate Day? On this day, it's considered perfectly normal to talk with a pirate accent and add words and phrases like "arg" and "shiver me timbers." Ready, Sam? Oh, sorry. I mean your pirateness. Your ship is complete and is ready to set sail.
Arr! Now the curse of no candy eating will never get me. Shiver me timbers.
Oh, Sam, here.
Guys, give a thumbs up if you like Pirate's Life. I mean today's video.
And subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss another pirate adventure with Sam. Bye!